everybody. I'm Abby Cadabby, and I'm so excited to be here. I came all the way from Sesame Street to Tiny Kitchen, and I'm gonna watch Hans make a fun party treat for us, but, I don't see Hans anywhere. Oh, maybe I can help her get here sooner. Pans, stands, lands, dibbity-diddy, wham, zippity, zap! Oh. I'm so sorry. You are some lovely hands. I think I've seen you before, but, not exactly the hands I was looking for. Zippity, zap! Oh, it works! Hi, hands! I'm so excited that you came today. I know you're gonna make a snack. Let me get rid of this wand here. What is it? Oh, look at that! It's cheese! Oh, I love cheese. You know, cheese is really good in quesadillas. Okay, I wonder what else she's gonna put in the snack. Oh, that's a little spinach leaf. Careful, watch your fingers, Hans. It's a very sharp knife. What else are you gonna put in there? Wait, you're making a quesadilla? What? Oh, that's so cute. I love it. It's like a little tortilla blanket. Wait. Oh, it's a sandwich. It's like a cheese sandwich now. Look at that sweet little pan. Oh, look it. Oh, that's the butter so the quesadilla doesn't stick, right, Han? Yeah. And I've watched my mommy make it. Alan makes these at Hooper's store, too. Is it done yet, Hans? Oh, you're gonna... Ooh, it's just right because it's toasty. This little bit of guacamole. Yeah. You're gonna cut it up now? Oh, that's nice. Oh, there. That's good. That's a lot for the party. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wish Count were here. He would love that. Wait a second, that's hummus. Oh, that's a big radish. I grow those in our fairy garden back on Sesame Street. And they got a little bit of kick to them, radishes. Okay, what else you got? There's gotta be more, right? It's a big party. I mean, 50 years we're celebrating. A big old birthday. That's a carrot. Oh, you know what rhymes with carrot? Parrot, claret, net. That doesn't really count, just the first part. Ooh, carrot spears. Is that a cucumber? Zucchini? Oh, I was right. Oh, you're making little spears out of those, too. That's good. Oh, Hans, that's so good. Cucumber is quite delectable. What? What? You're adding pepper to the party? A party with peppers? Peppers in the party, peppers in the party. Look at that. Hans, can I carry the vegetables to the party? The little, okay, thank you. I'll be very careful with them. Look, it's so yummy. Well, let's go, right? We're going to the party. Oh boy, look at that spread. That is the perfect 50th birthday party for Sesame Street. Aww. Oh,
Oh, hi, Abby.
hi, Cookie Monster.
What you doing?
Look at this birthday celebration.
A party?
Yeah, Hans
That's
made
so
it for us.
cute. Look at that little hat. Oh, me want one.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, ooh, that's so stylish.
Yeah, thank you. And what else you got there?
Oh, well, we have some carrots and hummus.
Yummy.
We have some birthday cake,
Birthday-
of course.
whoa.
Wait.
Can we try cake?
Of course, Cookie. Would you do the honors?
Sure. Oh, how can we get cake?
Oh,
Me neither.
Hans, can you?
Who?
That's
Oh.
who made the cake.
Whoa. Hi. Thank you, hand. Oh, that's so cute.
Isn't it adorable?
Happy 50th birthday, Sesame Street. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Boy, that go down easy. Delicious. Thank you. Thank you, hand.
It's tasty.
Mm.